On this episode, Ben looks down on people.
Morning, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a very special episode. This is not going to be like a normal video. So I would imagine there's quite a lot of you that are tuning into my channel for the first time. You've never been here before. Well, let me tell you something. What you're going to see today is not what normally happens on my channel. It's not kind of like that. If you'd like to stick around, that'd be great. We do have quite a lot of flying content.
The problem I've got is I don't know how to land.
But not like this. So I like to raise a little bit of money for charity, and I'm all about giving back to veterans. So I like to try and do something every year where I raise as much money as I can and I give it to the remembrance of veterans in wartime, not necessarily from like the world wars, but from the more modern day stuff as well. I like to give back to charity, and one charity that I know does that and does it really well is the Royal British Legion. They are a charity that I hold close to my heart, and I've raised a lot of money for them. If you'd like to see how this video came about and how this experience came about, please stick around to the end where I will explain all to you. So the first thing I want to say to you is every single penny that is earned from this video on YouTube, which is from you liking it, from you watching it, from you subscribing to my channel from this video, that will earn money. And all of that money, 100% of that money goes to the Royal British Legion. So by watching it, by commenting, by sticking the thumbs up on it, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for that. We are doing a good thing. We're giving money back. This channel's already done some great things in remembrance. One of those things is the bench that we paid for. This channel paid for a bench. It was just people watching the telly. And we did a thing. We actually bought a thing. Like, here it is. Look at that. Look at that, like unreal. We did that. Before I just make you all switch off and you stop watching, here is the time that I got to fly in a Lancaster. Unbelievable experience. They called me up, they were like, do you want to fly it? We've seen that you can fly. I was like, yeah, sound. Then they watched my channel. We didn't die. And they were like, you're an idiot, you're not flying nothing. We're not letting you fly a Lancaster. Luckily there was a bloke, he could fly it. He was pretty good. In fact, I'd say he was an incredible pilot. He did the flying. All I had to do was lie on my belly, and I got given one instruction, and that was wave at everybody. Everybody will see you. And I couldn't believe how much they could see me. You will see, if you're wondering why I'm frantically waving, it's because that was my job. I got given a job. The pilot was like, just wave at people. Okay, mate. We flew over Santa Pod Raceway. There was a big event on. One of the most incredible things I've ever done in my life. Sorry, kids. I know you were born and I was there, and but it beat that. It was pretty impressive, and it made me have a newfound appreciation for what those guys did during the war. We didn't drop any bombs, luckily, because I would have had to have aimed the bombs, and I was in the bomb aimer's seat, and I wouldn't have trusted me. I wouldn't trust me to tie my own shoelaces, let alone drop a bomb on the right thing. So guys, without much further ado, stick around till the end if you want to see how this video was made. But yeah, this was quite possibly the most amazing experience I've ever had in my life, and I'm eternally grateful for it.
never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. I was born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Won't you come up here to my altitude, to my altitude? Yeah, you. 'Cause I always liked you. I wanna share this view. I wanna share this view with you. We're never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. We were born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Broken people flying like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people writing our stories. We're never boring, never coming down.
Oh, that was unreal. That was quite possibly the best thing I've ever done. Now I've got to try and get out of this.
Idiots everyone, but we sure know how to have some fun. Yeah, we're never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. We were born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Broken people flying like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people writing our stories. We're never boring, never coming down.
So there you go. What did you think of that? Unreal, right? Did you see me waving? That was me. That's my hand. Look, there it is. How did this come about? So I raise a lot of money for charity. I try to do it every year. I try and raise as much as I can, and I do that for veterans. But it also means the more modern day stuff, like Iraq and Afghan, and people that have been injured, and soldiers and veterans, and airmen and airwomen, and seamen and sea women. I like anything that looks after those guys, really. And as a result, I have a special place in my heart for the Royal British Legion. Now, as you might have noticed, I am not a runner. I will never be a runner. I hate running. I think it's the devil's work. I can't stand it. I think it's bad for me. It's bad for my joints. However, I used to be a swimmer. I used to be a competitive swimmer. So I swam from the age of about 8 or 9. And I continued that before school, after school, all the time. I was swimming 5, 6, 7 days a week. And I ended up as quite a good competitive swimmer. I was sitting there one day going, I want to do something that's going to raise a bit of money for charity, and I decided to do the marathon swim, which, if you don't know, is a 10k swim. So I decided to swim 10 kilometers. So the world record is around 2 hours for the marathon swim, and that's about the same as the run, right? So a marathon run, obviously it's 26 miles on the run, but as a swim, the world record is about 2 hours. I did it in a shade under 3 hours, so I did it in 2:58, which, do you know what, for a guy who's middle-aged and, you know, hasn't competitively swam for a long time, I was quite chuffed with that. I did it in just under 3 hours. That was my aim. I wanted to be under 3, and I got it. In doing that, I raised quite a lot of money, and I was really proud of it. I think I set my target at like 300 quid, and I ended up raising close to 2 grand, which was just unbelievable. And what happened was, somebody within the Royal Air Force heard about this and put me forward, because I'd raised such a lot for the veterans and for the Royal British Legion. I got put forward and offered the opportunity to fly in a Lancaster bomber, which was just mind-blowing. As you've just seen, absolutely emotional experience. Gave me a just incredible. The guys, the engineers on the ground who keep those things flying, the pilots were so skillful. Just the emotion that aeroplane brought out of people was just unbelievable, and I couldn't thank the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight at Coningsby and the RAF for the opportunity for putting me in it. Now hopefully you've liked this video, hopefully you've subscribed to my channel because of it. All of that will bring in some more money, and I promise you, as I always do, that money will go to the Royal British Legion. So my little amount that I raised for doing my marathon swim at 10k, we can make that even more by you just liking this video. So please do that. If you've enjoyed it, stick around. Like, you can subscribe, you don't have to. You can come back, you can watch more stuff. Me being an idiot generally, but we do lots of stuff that involves engines. If you fancy that, if you think you might like it, if you think it might be for you, stick around, come back and watch another one. If not, have a happy life. It was lovely for you to stop by just this once. I hope you had a nice time. I hope you enjoyed it. Whatever you do, be happy, stay alive. That's literally all you've got to do. Stay alive and be happy. Much love, guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye.